What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to find products that actually selling well on eBay and what you need to do. Step by step I will show you what I do when it comes to selling products on eBay and what I look out for to see if it's selling well or not. Step by step I'm gonna break down what you need to do to check the selling history and to see if it's even doing that well, and what you need to do on Terapeak. I want to make this video as quick, but before that please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. So as always, I'm going to search for the product that we are going to start off on eBay, and I'm going to show you this particular product that I have noticed that is doing well recently. This particular product is teeth cleaner, so I'm going to type in teeth cleaner and then click search. There is one main type of teeth cleaner available, so as you can see, the first thing that I will do now is click into this one and then click into the sold link right there, and then see in the last 100 transactions how many has been sold. So that's the first steps that I look at, and then go over to Terapeak, and that's the next thing I do. And you need to sign up for an eBay selling account to be able to use Terapeak. And then what you need to do, you need to sign up for a selling account, do all the research that they need to do for whatever products they are looking to sell just for 1 month. That's what I would advise you to do, and then cancel their eBay selling account. That's what you're gonna do if you are a new seller. So I'm going to type in this cleaner, click on new fixed price and make sure it is the last 30 days, and then click best offer accepted. And here we only want to look at new items. That's the reason why we click on new and we click on fixed price, because we are not going to be doing an action style listing. We are going to be doing fixed price listing, and I also put best offers in my listing. That's because I click on best offer accepted, I click on research. Once I click on those three signs, so we can see right there this number right here is very important, 37. So you need always to look at this, make sure that it's over 30 or 35 when you are using Terapeak. That's because you have got a higher chance of selling. The more chance you are going to be able to sell the product if the number is closer to 100. So just make note of that. I'm always looking for the products that are around 60, 70, 80, but 37 is not. I'm just showing you what I do, and the number of sales, that's the first thing I always look at. But I'm here just showing you how to sell products on eBay. So for this particular product, we know that this particular seller is the most successful one. Let's go back and have a look at the other sellers. So here in the last 30 days, this one here has sold $2,300 worth. The next one has sold $2,000 worth. Here from one particular product, he sold 100 pieces. So what I'm going to do now, we are going to Alibaba.com. That's the best way to find long-term suppliers, and of course to see if it's available for me or not to start importing. So here on Alibaba.com, I'm just finding a supplier. I'm just having a look. So I have typed in teeth cleaner. Here that's looking like the first one. We see that there is white and black, so that does look like the one. So we can see that it's available for us. This supplier has only been around for 8 years, and that's looking good. I only like to use suppliers that have been around for a minimum of 5 years, and here the supplier has been around for 80 years, so that's look perfect. 8 years, right? And here I'm showing you how to use Terapeak, and also check on Alibaba to see if it's available for us to start importing our service. And also I showed you what I look at when it comes to finding out a winning product. So after we find a winning product, you know exactly what to do next. If you found any value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.